Good morning, everyone. A very good morning from Bombdila. Actually, I'm very happy. That's why it's a very good morning. And right now, I'm standing. I don't know where. It's not the balcony. I'm somewhere on the top floor of the balcony. This is where the cars remain parked. The view from here is so breathtaking. Like बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. And thankfully, it's not raining today so far. Maybe it will rain anytime because it's full of clouds. And right now, today we are going to do a bit of Bomdila sightseeing, which includes the monastery and viewpoint. And then we will be going to Tawang through the Sela Pass. It's very cold here, but नहाने के बाद थोड़ा कम ठंड लग रहा है. Hopefully, we'll be having a very good day, and we'll take you along through my whole journey today also. We started the day as early as 7 a.m. क्योंकि हमें काफ़ी लंबा डिस्टेंस कवर करना था. The first place we went to was the Lower Gompa, one of the 3 parts of the Bomdila monastery. But the most visited part is the Upper Gompa, जहाँ हम next जा रहे थे. So we are finally at the Bomdila monastery. Here it goes, right at my back. Such a beautiful location. I don't know why I connect so much to the monasteries. I think most of you do. There's a different kind of peace here, different kind of calmness when it comes to the monasteries. Bomdila Monastery 1965 में बनाया गया था, inspired by the Sona Gonse Monastery of Tibet. Going inside the monastery right now. Let's see how it looks inside. Every monastery has got a different essence. No? I have been to so many monasteries so far, but then no two are the same. Known for its peaceful prayer hall and giant Buddha statue, the art here beautifully reflects Tibetan Buddhist culture. The amount of peace this place holds is hard to explain in words, is something only silence can describe. So we are right now at this place called RR Hills. Actually, only if you have someone in the army along with you, you will be allowed to come here. Since my dad was in defense and he had that identity card, we were allowed to come up here. This is an entirely army-based area, and it's around 5 or maybe more, 5-6 kilometers from the monastery up. So this place is too beautiful. I can't describe in words. Army things are always very, well maintained, clean, and you always have a good amount of respect for them. And that's what I felt while coming up. The whole area is theirs. They have their houses, they have their medical camps, clubs, and everything here. And this is also a viewpoint. You can see the entire Bomdila from here. So it's really, really, really beautiful. At 8,500 feet above sea level, RR Hills isn't just a point, it's a canvas painted by the mountains and the clouds. Some of Arunachal's highest peaks stand guard in distance. In Arunachal, the minimum distance between two places is so huge that at least 7 to 8 hours तो लग ही जाता है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने में. और हमें एक दिन में इतना लंबा डिस्टेंस कवर करना था कि कहीं पे भी ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करने का ऑप्शन ही नहीं था। Right now we are en route Tawang, but we have stopped in Dirang to have some breakfast. Like, this place is nice, and actually to me every mountain place is nice. You won't hear me telling that this place is not good, but we have not had breakfast since morning, so we will be having breakfast in this place.
सब्जी भी डाल दिया।
हाँ, खाना बहुत अच्छा था। 7th को वापस आएंगे फिर से यहीं पे। रात को क्या मिलता है? रात को क्या मिलता है?
डिनर में
राइस और सब वेज।
वेज मिलेगा,
नॉन वेज भी मिलेगा?
मिले।
ठीक है। So we are done with the breakfast and we will be heading off to Tawang. I mean, resuming our journey to Tawang once again. And दोपहर में और कुछ नहीं खाने वाले। Once again, we'll be having food when we reach Tawang. सुबह से मुझे अगर सबसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट किसी बात को लेके थी तो इट वॉज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट द जर्नी टू तवांग बट सेला पास एज वेल। बॉमडीला से सेला पास का रूट पूरा सिनेमैटिक है एंड द आर्मी प्रेजेंस हियर मेक्स एवरीथिंग इवन मोर स्मूथ। एक छोटा सा सीनिक स्टॉप, एक लैंडस्लाइड, एंड आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट 2 hours of starting from Dirang, we finally reached Sela Pass. So we are at Sela Pass right now and it's literally freezing. So cold, the clouds have come down, my lips are frozen and I cannot speak. It's so cold. Damn, it's so beautiful. Anything that comes with struggle is beautiful. यहाँ हवा इतना तेज चल रहा था that it was becoming very difficult for me to even hold my camera straight. Sela Pass at an altitude of 13,700 feet isn't just a mountain pass, it's a natural wonder. It's a lifeline through the Himalayas that connects Tawang to the rest of Arunachal Pradesh. There is the Sela Lake. So beautiful, so beautiful. There is still some chunks of ice left here. The pass stands in the memory of a local girl named Sela, जिन्होंने 1962 इंडो चाइना वॉर के टाइम पे एक इंडियन सोल्जर के लिए अपनी जान दे दी। So getting out of the Sela Pass now, it's freezing cold. I feel like my face has become half paralyzed. I cannot speak properly. This portion is so cold. It's just because of the wind that's blowing. It's not specifically that cold, but the it's chilled winds. You can say it freeze you. Took a few photos. And getting back to the car now. Beautiful place, but if the winds weren't blowing this hard, maybe would have stayed a bit longer. I cannot speak, I'm sorry. Going to start moving to Tawang now. And this was indeed once in a lifetime experience. The most unpredictable thing that I came across in Arunachal is its weather. 1 second it's all sunny and the next moment you are in the home of clouds. And in no time हम एक ऐसी जगह पहुंच गए which is not just a stopover but a salute to heroism. It is said that with the help of 3 local girls, he managed to delay the enemy long enough to protect his fellow soldiers.
पहाड़ी का रास्ता तय किया और मैंड सपोर्टी में ऊपर से बर्फ भी पड़ी हुई थी। तो जब ये बंकर के पास पहुंचे जो चाइना ने बनाया था, इन्होंने सबसे पहले बंकर में ग्रेनेड।
Every day his bed is made, uniform is ironed, as if he is still on duty. So we are right now at Jaswant Singh War Memorial, getting out of this place. There is an interesting history behind this place. It will actually give you chills. So this man, he was a rifleman, and he had just served in the army for around 3 years or less. So he passed away in a battle with China, and it is still believed that he protects Tawang area. The locals believe his existence is still there. So his family is still given the pension, and also like not the amount of pension he would have got if he was like promotions have been made in his post, and accordingly pension is provided at his place. So it's very interesting, and the story that the man was telling inside, I was asked not to film it, but it actually gave me chills how he died. Like, so many people in the army, they do so much for us, and that's why we are here. A true salute to all of them. It's because of them that we are protected and roaming around freely. Like, दिल भर गया. पहाड़ और बादलों के साथ एक कप चाय पी के we started our final lap of journey towards Tawang. और जितना हम आगे बढ़ रहे थे उतना ही मेरी एक्साइटमेंट भी बढ़ रही थी, क्योंकि तवांग is indeed a paradise in the heart of Arunachal Pradesh, and I had longed to be here since ages. So finally, after a journey of about 9 hours from Bomdila, we have finally reached Tawang. We have checked into this hotel named Hotel Tayatha. I'll give you the outer picture of the hotel tomorrow, since it's almost dark outside right now. You won't be able to see it, but I'll definitely be showing you the room before it gets messy. So this is the entering door. घुस के ये अंदर bathroom है. Bathroom is too big. Okay, and since we are 3 people, we have taken this 3-bedroom. Quite a good room, to be honest. It's a 2-bed. It's already messy, I'm really sorry. And there we have got a heater for heating the room up because it's quite cold here. It's raining also, and it's completely made up of wood. It's a TV there, lampshades and all. And the most beautiful one is the view. Right now you won't be able to see that much. It's raining because they said that the monastery will be visible from here, because the monastery is very close from this point. And once it gets dark, hoping to see a lot of lights glowing up as you see in the mountains. That really makes me happy. And we are going to stay here for 3 nights. The rest of the details, where we are going and whatever else is there, I'll be covering up in my next vlog. That's the Tawang vlog. So that's all about the first one to Arunachal. This is my 21st state. I'm really happy, hoping to make it to the 7 remaining ones very soon. And I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow morning when I move out for sightseeing. Till then, goodbye, tata, and keep watching.